Here we have a 2018 BMW 530d xDrive M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one, we do have the M Sport Plus package. Now we also have the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. The carbon black metallic paintwork. We have the LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front splitter and front grills. As a look at that front end. Making our way around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the electric glass sunroof. It's currently open. It can also get put onto a tilt with the shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. Now we do also have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Round to the back you'll find the rear diffuser with the quad tip exhaust. As a look at that rear end. Back round to the driver's side now, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a quick look then at the interior, inside of the back first you'll find the leather seats. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points as well back here, vents down there for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors along with the ambient lighting. Now again at the front, same leather seats. There's a look as well at the roof from the inside. Both these front seats are heated, they're also electrically adjustable, as you can see controlled down there. Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the nice suede trim on the interior. We've got the electric windows and electric mirrors, automatic lights down here. We have the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel which is also heated. Take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard here in front of us. Put the foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle starts up. You've got the speedometer and also the adaptive cruise control here on the left. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. We have the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. We also have the high beam assist just here on this stalk. We then have the main entertainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav. And now if this screen or any of the lights in this video are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. We've got all the shortcut buttons down here so you can find the media with the radio stations. Over to the left and you've got the other options which we can quickly scroll through. We do have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. We then have the intelligent safety, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down from there we have the climate control, heated seats, ice cold air conditioning, as you can see all working as they should do. Again further down we've got the nice suede trim here in the centre, automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and quickly switch through the different drive modes. You'll also find on the dashboard it will change depending on the different drive mode. Put the car into reverse, you find the reverse camera and parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake, auto hold button, and finally the armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530d xDrive M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm at the fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel which has the paddle shifters either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, simply tap on the paddles to change gear. We do also have the adaptive cruise control here on the left hand side, along with the speedometer as well. Steering wheel is also heated, you can press the button in the centre to activate it. We have the phone connectivity and the volume buttons there on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us, which can show it different features and different displays. We would have seen in the walk around video. Now we are just approaching a junction, so we're going to slow down, wait for the cars in front of us to go before we can turn right. So we'll just put our right indicator on. Then we're going to approach the junction slowly. Okay, so we're going to make sure it is safe to pull out, which it is. So we're going to turn it right, continuing on our way. As you can see, accelerating nice and smooth through all the gears with the automatic gearbox and getting up to speed. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have plenty more features as well throughout the interior of the vehicle. Got the leather seats, which are really comfortable, can easily do 2, 3. Within 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. We also have the glass sunroof just up there. Plenty of other features as well. We've got the main screen which is currently showing the radio, but we can press these buttons, switch over to the sat nav. Many more features again you would have seen on the photos. We are going to take another right hand turn now, so put our right indicator on again, start to slow down, make sure it is safe to turn right onto Grovey Road, and again continuing on our way, getting up to speed, going through the gears nice and smoothly. Got the intelligent safety as well, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the climate control, the air-cooled air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We are approaching the bend and also the dealership. To put our left indicator on, start to slow down and turn left onto the dealership. I'm going to perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. Reverse camera appears on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.